My name is Sean Stewart, and I am a Senior Credit Advisor as well as the CEO of Guiding Hands Credit Services. I started Guiding Hands after spending quite some time repairing my own credit. I read every book I could find, including the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, the Fair Credit Billing Act. I attended conferences, and now my team and I have helped over 5,000 people repair their credit, and I have an 800 credit score. I want to tell you credit repair works. It is not easy, but it works. Let me ask you, what would you do with your credit if you had a 700 plus credit score? How would that make you feel? I was so embarrassed when I had poor credit. In fact, my poor credit and my poor financial habits almost caused me to lose everything. I don't know your personal credit and financial situation, but I could tell you how the people that we have helped felt once their credit was repaired. Most go on to buy a house, car, start a business, and many other things. What is your reason for wanting to have and use good credit? Don't wait. Experts state that the longer you wait, most people, they just never start. It takes others much longer to reach their financial goals when they wait. Why not have good credit sooner versus later? If I could do it, I know you could do it as well. You may ask, is there a cost to hire our company to repair your credit? Yes. What I have found over the years is that money comes and money goes. I have a friend who I was just speaking to the other day. My friend's been paying for over the last 5 years, $1,800 a month for rent. That's $108,000 over a 5-year period of time. I asked him, why did you do this? He said, I'm embarrassed to say, but I have poor credit. The question is, do you want to spend years of your time paying someone else's mortgage or making car payments that are too high? Oh, and did you know you pay more for auto insurance when you have low credit scores? Don't you want to fix your credit? Wouldn't it be worth it to you? How would good credit feel? Our credit packages are very affordable. We provide all of our clients with 100% money back guarantee. So what do you have to lose, really? We provide a $1 credit report analysis and consultation. Reach out to our team today. Call us at 253-735-4300. You can email us at creditcare@guidingyourcredit.com or text us to 253-315-5400. Can't wait to hear from you.